So how can you install the compass sensor onto your Android phone? Let's get started. So basically what you can do is to open up all of your apps view and everything, and if you usually look up the word compass, it doesn't really show much, meaning that there isn't any built-in app, at least for me, for this purpose. So what I can do in this case is to ensure that Compass works and can be installed on my phone. And for that, there is an app which is called a Sensor Box. And this app will basically check whether your phone supports the compass functionality and if it actually has the sensor for it. So even though you cannot really directly install it, you can check whether your phone comes with it built in. So once the app opens, you can get inside right there. It has to show or load up a little bit. And what we need to look for is the magnetic sensor, right? So that's the thing right there. And if you click on it, you can see that it works. And it also shows, different values based on how I rotate my phone. So that's how I know that the sensor is there and that in fact it is working. In which case, what I can do is literally open up the Google Play Store again and get a dedicated compass app, which is gonna serve the purpose or use the sensor which I just checked that my phone has. And there are many of them, like there is this one called the Digital Compass with millions of downloads. So I'm gonna get this one, and after it installs, you can see I can open it up and rotate my phone like this. And using the magnetic sensor, it is showing me all of the, directions and all of the data which I need. So this is how you can start using your phone's magnetic sensor for the compass functionality. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos in the future.